Hello everybody, this is a 1986 Casablanca Lady Delta fan that I got for my birthday last year. This fan came 100% complete, though it did shake really bad when I first got it. But one of the blades, I bent it down. I bent actually all of them back to normal, and I bent it down, one of them down, and it actually stopped it from shaking, like, completely. See that one blade that's bent down. I lowered the pitch and I bent it down, is what I did. This fan's hanging over the fan shelf, or one of the fan shelves that I have. This fan just reverses from oak to oak. And yeah, it even came with its Casablanca file, which I think is very, very neat. There's really not much to say about it, as though I do like it very much, and I'm very happy I got it. But yeah, the switch cap does have some wear to it. I think a little bit. Doesn't have a little bit of wear to it, but I mean, there's what can you do. Also, they come with the switch cap, like nut or whatever it's called, that screws into it. But I took the light kit off and I put that somewhere, and I have no idea where it went. But as you can see, it has zero wobble. It's in really good shape, besides a small itty bitty dent on the side band, which isn't too bad. What can you do? I really don't get bothered by the bent blade, because I just tell myself that it fixed the wobble. So yeah. I even tried using the normal, like, fan weights or whatever, but that really, like, you know, that did not do a single thing. So I'm not sure, like, why it didn't do anything. But yeah, this fan goes very fast, like very, very fast. I'm pretty sure this is one of the earlier models. This is 5-blade only, and this is not 4 blades. I mean, not 4 or 5 blades, which is a bummer, because I really would like to see this with 4 blades. But I'll get another one someday. The flywheel is a little bit warped, like a little bit warped, but it doesn't really cause. Actually, I'm pretty sure that's why it was freaking wobbling in the first place. It has a slight wobble on reverse, but you know I never use reverse. Who the fuck uses reverse, honestly? Nah, I'm just kidding. See, it's spinning a Littleton right there. Does have some crazy torque to it. flag. Lady Delta Slumber 3. Let's see what's up. Top Kid 55 motor. Hang trail. On the Casablanca phone. I think it's very cool. Very, very cool. Well, hope you guys enjoyed my video of this 36-inch Casablanca Lady Delta ceiling fan from 1986. And I am out.